Today I'm going to disassemble one of these Helium IoT hotspots, a Bobcat 300. I'm going to remove the stock cover and replace it with a custom Bit Harvest studio cover along with a custom grill cover. I purchased a clear acrylic 120mm fan to help keep it cool. It has 4 screws to mount the fan to the new housing. It also has 4 screws to mount the fan to the grill. I used the T8 Torx set to remove the screws so I could then remove the old housing from the top. I'll speed this up a bit while I take the screws out. Make sure you hold on to the stock screws as they will be needed for the last step. Now that the stock cover is removed, locate the internal light and the notch where the light shines through on the new cover. I like to have the wiring uniform and running in the same direction, so I try to ensure the fan is positioned so the wiring runs appropriately. Now it is time to install the 4 screws allocated for the fan to be attached to the new Bit Harvest Studio custom cover. I'll speed this up a bit to save time also. Now that the fan is firmly mounted to the new cover, it's time to mount the custom grill to the fan with the 4 Phillips screws. I used silver screws so they match the overall look of the custom grill. Make sure not to over tighten the screws to prevent stripping out the new mount holes. With the new Bit Harvest Studio Custom Bobcat 300 cover fully assembled, locate the notch from earlier where the light goes, locate the light on the stock unit, and then place the 2 pieces together. Now it's time for the final assembly. Locate the stock mounting screws from earlier and reassemble the unit once again, making sure to align the holes and not strip out the new mounting locations. Now that the Bobcat 300 reassembly is complete, it's time to reconnect the wiring and boot the machine. I connect all wiring to each unit before connecting power to the unit. The unit has a radio transmitter and receiver, and it is advised to connect the antenna before powering the unit on to prevent damage to the transmitter. Now I can plug the power into the Bobcat, then connect the new fan to a USB plug and see what it looks like. And there we have it, a custom Bit Harvest Studio Bobcat 300. Next we'll be installing the new Bit Harvest Studio Luna Unity firmware onto my custom Bobcat 300.